Good morning students. I am your science teacher, class 3rd. Now here we will discuss about lesson number 1, part 2. Yes, previously I had discussed part 1st of lesson number 1, living and non-living things. So first of all we will discuss now here. You will see and observe. Now cover page of your book. First of all see and observe. Some student asked me कि sir which book now is not similar our book, so please you will check cover page of your book. Okay, now see and observe. This is the your cover page of your book. Now Science Forever Volume 3 ICSC. Please check carefully and observe. See another page of your book. Yes, this is second page of your book. See and observe and check. Science Forever Volume 3. Carefully see and observe and check your page. Another third page related your contents of your book. Lesson wise, lesson number 1 to 11 now here. Now another assessment sheet also here written about, and model test paper. And now so all are contents related of your book, lesson number 1 to 11, and another also here. So see and observe it carefully. Next. Now class 3rd, subject science, lesson number 1, living and non-living things. Now here already previous video summary are now here I will explain. So properly see and observe. Already I had previously given all explanation for you previous video. So see and observe now whole summary. Previous first part. Yes, my dear student, see and observe first page of your book. See and now here a one pictures in your book about living and non-living things. One picture are here. Yes, that picture is in your book. See and observe. So many things are now here. Things are now here. So now first of all I will explain again. Yes, in this page. So now here already explain about this picture. So first of all, but now here let's warm up. Now some comments are written is here. Look at the thing given the picture. Things are here. So write the name of any 10 things that you see. Yes, some are the sky also here, cloud also here, tree also here, swing also here, bench also here, boys also here, ball, cat, stone, flower, grass. So my dear student, we will see and observe carefully, and already written the name of following. Yes, now point already written here one by one. Answer also please see and observe. Now here we will write. Now answer is here. So I will write down answer is here. Yes, okay, related to this picture. Next. Yes, answer already written. Please check carefully. You will write down in your book. Answer is here. First of all you will see sky. Yes, this sky is here. Tree. Yes, both tree are here. Swing now is here. Okay, another boys. Yes, one and another is here. another wall is here, and bench, you will see his bench is here. Cat is here, you will see. And now flower also is here, another side also here. And grass, you will see this is grassy field is here. Yes, another stone. Yes, both places stone are here. Yes, so many, yes, things are now here already explained, and write down properly, you will also see. So I hope, yes, you will write down according to this, and according 1 to 10 things you will write down properly, I hope. So my dear student, this is clear about the related to previous. Okay, first picture, related to first picture, some comment also now here. So some word also written right now. Please read again what happened. Write the name of any 10 things that you see. Now here already written here. Please you will write in your book. Yes. Next. Now we will discuss whole summary of the first part now here. Now living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Already explained man-made things previously. It means that are made by man or called man-made things. Just like you will see benches, swing also. Yes, you have seen previous given picture. Another, next, natural things. Do you understand? Yes, that things like a word, sun, cloud are called natural things, treated by nature, already shown in a picture also. Next, living things, that things that, yes, which need food, move anywhere, feel, reproduce, or living things called, yes, living things. So example, plant, animal. See and observe, previously I had given commandment explanation also. See, next, yes, this is living things, animal and, yes, human. Next, non-living things that which do not show their characteristic about related, just like, yes, moving anywhere, grow, feel, reproduce. So example, answer is here. Yes, what? Answer is here, rock, chair, table, and, yes, etc. So next, now living thing, you will see already given picture. Now first of all, previously I had discussed living things need food. Yes, why? Yes, you will see, because now here already written, plant make their own food. They will, now they use water, sunlight and carbon dioxide to make food. The human being, yes, depend on plant and other animal for, yes, or other animal for food. And now is that clear? And they cannot make their own food. Is that clear? Living, and now their living things need food. Why? So already previously I had given explain also. See and observe. Next, living things grow. Do you understand? Previously I had given, so this is also related. Now first of all you will see and observe example. Now here already written. Yes, if you will see now here, slowly growing taller you and increase in weight also. So now here already example baby and seed also. You will grow a seed will convert into yes plant form, and another plant will change into tree, big tree. So as a baby, first of all baby, small baby, and then after growth convert into yes child, and then adult. Previously I had given and explained. Next see, yes, this position already previously as a growth form, seed to plant, plant to tree already. Next see, living things grow. Yes, previously I had discussed also. Now here you will see there are so many growth in egg also, in baby also, in seed also. Yes, previously position already given information about related to this picture. Now egg convert into chick convert into hen, baby convert into yes, now child, and child convert into man. Now you will see another is seed convert into yes baby plant, and plant convert into tree. So I hope previously discussion confirmed. Now seed, baby and egg. Next see, living things more you have you see now. Yes, living things. Yes, what happened, that is command living things move. It means that now you will see living things one place to another place, easily moving, roamingly anywhere one place to another. Just like now example of monkey yes jumping on the tree, one place to another place, another one tree to another tree. Another lizard also you will see, yes, one place to another on wall side you will see. Previously I had discussed. So now is the small theory about related given topic. So observe. Next, now picture already short. Now yes, previously I had short. Now monkey and lizard picture, jumping position, moving on wall, lizard moving on wall, picture already short. See, do plant move? Yes, already no answer from your side. Yeah, my side, no, plants do not move, they remain fixed to the soil. This is very most important, always one place. So part of some plant show the some special movement, but in another some now another plant some special character for related movement. Now see, observe. Yes, pitcher plants trap insect and eats them. So but in pitcher plant, yes, one cap will upper side you will see now here. Yes, this is cap's position, and now movement will be there with the insect. So that plant trap insect and eat them. So my dear students, yes, the special movement for now here another sunflower. Do you understand? Now here sunflower is here, so always turn its face in the direction of sun. Okay, it's mean that you will see and observe always sunflower moving. Okay, now always turn its face where direction of sun. In sun move east to west, so flower direction turn its face. Yes, now same east to move direction, east to west direction. Next you will see living things. With all living things, yes, just like a man, just like animal, take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Plant take a carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Next, fish. Now here fish with through gills, plants with through stomata, insects with through air holes called spiracles. Now already picture already given is here. See and observe carefully. This is fish, another is stomata, another is spiracle. Okay. Now here you will as that face in the way as that. Okay. You will see and observe. Previously I had discussed see and observe. Next, see and observe. Another points now here. Living things feel. Living things can feel. They respond to their surrounding when you touch hot object. Now here already see and observe feel. Now here about the related given topic. Plant can also feel. However, see, touch me not. If you will see, touch me not plant. Now do you understand that plant is another name? Yes, touch me not plant another name. Mimosa pudica. Mimosa pudica. Now my dear student, now here that plant Mimosa pudica, scientific name. That common name is now here touch me not. Yes, in common language, touch me not. See and observe carefully. Okay. Next. Living things feel plant Mimosa pudica. Already here picture. Yes. Short now here picture. You will see carefully. Touch me not. If you will touch finger with this plant, leaf will short feeling inside. Close the leaves inside and move. A movement short the movement here as a feel. Now see and observe carefully. Previously I had discussed about this. Next. Now 6. Living things reproduce. Plant grow from a seed. Human being give birth to babies. Non-living things do not reproduce. Now here already previously the two characteristic now already living things, short living things and reproduce. Plant grow from a seed. Yes, you will see. And human beings give birth to baby. Now here picture short related to living things produce. Yes, mother with baby. Next, does the chair produce more chair? No, it does not. Reproduction. What is the means of reproduction? Now here already given the definition. The way in which living things produce their own kinds is called reproduction. Previously I had discussed. Now given so many explanation about related commandment. So I hope now this is whole explanation confirm, my dear students. Related your book and observe carefully, and the some topic also here. So we will discuss next. Now differences between living and non-living things. Previously I had given is living things can move, need food, grow, breathe and feel change around and reproduce. Non-living things cannot move, do not need foods, do not grow, do not breathe and do not feel and do not reproduce. Already previously I had given, yes, previous video, now already here written. So carefully, and now I will start today the second parts of this lesson now here today. Thank you. See and observe. Now start my second parts of the related of from this lesson, living and non-living things. Part 2, plant. Now here the remaining topic, plants differ from animal. And now here in this part also, this topic and another some remain question exercise, question answer also I will give. So carefully you will observe. I will give answer one by one. First of all, explanation about related to this topic. Plants differ from animals. My dear student, now here, even through the both plants and animals or living things, plants differ from animal in two ways. What is the difference here between now here according to point? So first of all, if you will see plant, so now according to first comment, plant can make their own food but animal cannot. Yes, previously I had given previous first part also about this. Yes, so do you understand? Plant can make their own food. Yes, with the help of, yes, photosynthesis. Okay, and now but animal cannot. Animal fully depend on plant and other animal for food. So my dear student, now here according to this point, plant can make their food, their own food. So with the help of photosynthesis, what is the wording or here photosynthesis? We will say now very shortly for you. Photosynthesis is that process where plant will take water. In this process, plant will take water. Yes. Okay. And carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight. In presence of sunlight and plant. Yes, that process, chlorophyll also will be there. Chlorophyll. If you will see green color of plant, so that color, yes, with now that color by the, they are in plant by chlorophyll. Okay, so the by the chlorophyll. So we will say now here photosynthesis again. What is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis process that plant will take in photosynthesis process. Yes, water will take with carbon dioxide and with chlorophyll in presence of sunlight. Plant give us food and oxygen. What is the photosynthesis process? Photosynthesis process is plant will take water, carbon dioxide, in present chlorophyll and presence of sunlight give us food and oxygen. This is process is called photosynthesis. Already at the last this lesson, already in a hot question already written there about this full definition. So my dear student, I have confirmatory about their plant can make their own food but animal cannot. Animal, because animal depend on plant. You will take, yes, food, any food, rice, wheat and any other pulses also, another fruit also, vegetable also, we will depend on plants and animal. Animal, another animal, do you not understand? Egg. So egg without animal will not possible. So we will depend on, yes, yeah, otherwise animal depend on plant and another animal for food. So now is that clear? Plant do not move from one place another, but animal move. So do you understand? Because plant is here. Now in this picture is clearly now. Yes, the plant do not move because they remain fixed to the soil always. But animal, the human will move one place to another. Is that clear? But especially now here about given this topic. Okay, next, see and observe. We sensitive, my dear student. Yes, it's very important. We sensitive. Remember that we sensitive to plant and animal. Okay, why? Yes, we sensitive. Yes, now we sensitive to plant animal, even though they cannot express their feeling like a human. Plant, okay, an animal cannot express their feeling like a human. They too can feel, only feel. Okay, yes, but now according to, we will comment now here, given comment now here, we will discuss. Think before you plug a leaf or flower. Yes, remember that always you will see and observe. Do not step on young plant. Do not tear on hit animals. So my dear, always plant are very sensitive and animal also very sensitive. You will see go now. Yes, choose side outside where so many animal will be there. So just like you will feel now there. But my dear student, think about here. You will, if you will plug if flower or leaf, so plant will not show there. But now plant are very sensitive. So do not step on your young plant. Please don't plug plant. Another commandment: do not tear on hit animal. What? Sensitive toward all living. Just like you will see another, according to yourself, plant, and just like plant and another way you will see now animal also here. Do not tear on hit animal. Please my dear student, do not tear on hit animals, because animal are very sensitive just like you. So very sensitive. Please, yes, remember that. Don't hit animal. Okay. So another and the last we will say now here. All are plant and animal are very sensitive to all living things. So support carefully. And next we will discuss now. We will discuss now here again. Next, see and observe. Next, yes, and the last over this lesson. Now topic is over of this lesson, completed. And now first of all here we will discuss, yes, some word, new word already written in your book. Yes, man-made thing, already previously already I had given about this explanation. Things that are made by man, man-made things, natural things, things that are created nature called natural things, living things which is need food, eat, feel and move, grow and reproduce. Living things, non-living things, things which do not have life, non-living things. Okay, and stomata, teeny pores present on the surface of leaves that help in the plant to breathe is called stomata. Very small. We will see, observe with the help of, yes, microscope. That eyes we will not see by the naked eyes. Now my dear students, so see already here given commandment, read from your book carefully. Already previously I had discussed. Next, see. So observe carefully new words now here already written in this area. So from your book, see and observe. Next, quick recall. Also you will read carefully. Quick recall. Things that are made by man or called man-made things. Yes, previously already given explanation about things that are created by nature or called natural things. Yes, and things which need food, move, grow, feel, reproduce, or living things, and non-living things do not show the characteristic for living things. We sensitive toward plant and animal. Already quick recall. Previously I had given stake related to explanation also. So now about given topic. So you will read this commandment carefully from book. So I hope my dear students, now the time is here for your work. See and observe. Now some I will write down at the last paragraph and page, and see and observe. Some exercise also given here. See, observe. Next. Yes. So question answer, first of all we will say, start here. Answer the question, answer also written is here. Yes. C. Answer the following questions already written. First of all, first question, how are plants different from animals? First question, how are plants different from animals? Already written the answer from your book, commandment already written. So now here, if you will want to see, observe. Yes, now page number already 10 written this commandment from your lesson. Now plant can make their own food. Second commandment is already here. First command is here, and second commandment, plant do not move from one place to another. Okay, and animal cannot make their own food, and second is animal move from one place to another place. Is that clear? So we will revise again. See and observe the answer. Question answer we will start. Write down in your copy. Yes, this question answer you will write down in your fair copy. This is the first question related to your lesson, first lesson. So now you will write down in your copy this question number 1. How are plants different from the animal? You will first of all write down, yes, difference between plant and animal. Now here two comment already written is here. Plant and animal related two comment all written is here. So you will write down. Is that clear? You will write down, I hope. Yes. See and observe and write down in your copy, fair copy. Okay? Yes. Write down. Yes. Please, my dear student, you will write down first of all question. Answer you will start. Yes. Please write down difference between plants and animals. Now you will draw with the help of scale. Yes. 2 column and 1 row. Yes, according to me, just like table, or table also given is here. Which table? You will see this table. Yes, with the help of scale you will draw in your copy in a 2 column. Yes, according to this given answer, according to you will draw with the help of scale lining in your copy and write down both commandments related to two commandments for plant, two commandments for animal. As it similar, you will write down in your copy. I hope. As it given answer, you will write down in your fair copy as it. You will make a table, write down two command for plant, two commandment for animal. I hope completed. Okay. Yes. Next question. See and observe. Question number 2. Staying between living and non-living things. Answer differences between living and non-living things. Now here already from your book page number 10 already written this answer. Yes, observe and see in your book also. I hope you will do complete it also. Yes, comment also here. Living things, one column you will write living things, another column non-living things. One column you will write the commandment 1 to 6, another is side also non-living things 1 to 6. Yes, can move. Living things can move, non-living things cannot move on their own. Living things need food, non-living things do not need food. Living things grow, non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe and non-living things do not breathe. Living things feel change and around them, non-living things do not feel. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not produce. Already according to you will write down this answer in your book as it. Yes, question, then answer, and according to table. Yes, you will write down. So my dear student, as it you will write down in your fair copy. Question number 2. Lesson number 1, question number 2, as it you will write down in your copy. Another small instruction. So my dear student, yes, for exam, yes, already here so many commandment are here written point 1 to 6, but for exam you will prepare any 4 command. Okay, living things and non-living things, any 4 command for exam. So exam you will write any 4 command, yeah, any 3 commands. If question will come in exam, so you will write down any 3 or 4 commands. Okay, no any problem as a choice. Now for exam you will write any 3 or 4 command in this question. I hope clear. If any problem that you will ask me next time, I will again explain about the question answer. No any problem. Okay, I hope written this answer as it you will write down in your fair copy. I hope. Very long time now already. See and observe. Yes, I will give 2 to 5 minutes for every question. Yes, observe and see and write down carefully. Okay, next. Question number 3. Why do animals move from one place to another? The answer is here already written in your this commandment from your book. Yes, page number 8. Yes, from living things move. There are already written here. Yes, now answer is animals move from one place to another place in search of food and shelter and to save themselves from their enemy. That is correct answer is written here. You will write down question number 3. According to me, that answer already, that line already written page number 8 from your book. Now commandment 3, living things move. Now they are already written second paragraph. Yes, animal move from one place to another place in search of food and shelter and to save themselves from their enemies. I hope satisfied about this answer, and see and observe carefully and write down as it in your book. Question number 3 answer. Yes, my dear student, I hope you are very talented. I say students, and carefully I hope understood about given explanation related to this answer. You will do the best. Okay, I will explain another question also here. Question number 4. What is reproduction? Yes, previously I had given the definition also for you, and first part of this video already I had explained. Yes, see, observe. The answer is here. The way in which living things produce their own kinds is called reproduction. Is that clear? Yes. Question number 4. Is that clear? I hope. Now, here already written. Question number 5 also I will write down. Question number 4 already written. That commandment line, page number 10. Yes. Living things reproduce. That commandment parts already that line from another second paragraph. Yes, you will see second line, second paragraph, second line already written there. So please see and observe page number 10 also. No any problem? Now here already written question number 4. What is reproduction? You will write, I hope, the way in which living things produce their own kind is called reproduction. I hope. Is that clear? Yes. Now we will discuss here question number 5. Name 2 plants that show movement. Answer. First, now one is sunflower. Second, now here is answer is second, peach plant. Question number 5, I will revise again. Name 2 plants. Please give now here. Write now here. 2 plant. Name 2 plants that show movement. Okay. So answer is one is sunflower. Another is second is peach plant. Is that over? I hope everything is clear in this given topic. You will write down as it in your fair copy. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 as it already given here. So my dear student, I hope confirmative about here. Next you will see. Now here given exercise. Observe carefully, see and observe. Exercise also here. Exercise. Already you will write this exercise only in your book. Okay, only in your book. First of all, tick the correct answer in your book only. Yes, don't write in a copy, only book only. You will write only in book only. Tick the correct answer. So first of all, an example of living thing is yes, table, tree, rock, cloud. The answer, right answer is here. What answer? Now here, yes, tree. Is that clear? Another is an example of the natural non-living things. Man, rock, parrot, all of these. Now answer is rock. Clear? And another third, all living things are natural, big, man-made, small. Answer is natural. And another D, fish with their, fish with their. Now here gill, spiracle, lungs, none of these. Now answer is gill. Is that you will write down according to this. Another fill in the blanks. Now here fill in the blanks also written is here. Answer written is here. You will write down carefully. Food provide. Food provide. Yes, answer is blank already here. So answer already written. Energy. You will write down energy here in this fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. You will write down energy word. Another is second commandment. A seed change into a, yes, do you know, as a baby plant. Another name is rare seedling. Okay, seedling already written in your book. That commandments, whole commandments from your book. Yes, A, page number 8. Yes, living things grow. Another paragraph, second paragraph, a seed change into a seedling, into a plant. So my dear student, I hope you will write down according to this answer. So second is a seed change into a, yes, seedling. Seedling means baby plant. Another commandment 3, A. Now pitcher plant trap insect and eat them. Now here you will write down the word. Answer written is here, pitcher. Third one, we out air rich in, yes, carbon dioxide. If you do you not understand, you will take oxygen and come out from your, yes, outside, yes, carbon dioxide. So we can say we breathe out air outside, yes, air rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, is that clear? Now I have question answer already written previously. So see and observe. Next. Yes, another remain exercise, but one are remain here previously. Okay, see downside written is here, downside. Put, now put tick against the correct sentence, rewrite the other correctly. A baby grow into a child, the answer is tick. Okay, next. See, remain exercise answer. Second commandment here. Animal take in. Now here written is a wrong word. Please cut. Stick line now here. Sticky line now here. Please cut with the line and give out oxygen. Please cut the oxygen also. So please write down. Because the commandments are wrong, so already here, yes, cross. Is that clear? This is cross. So but after correction we will write the proper sentence. So animal take upper side, please cut the carbon dioxide, and upper side you will write down oxygen. Another cut the oxygen, you will write down upper side carbon dioxide. The commandment is right. What? The animal take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So that time we will correct. Is that clear? So now I hope conformity is clear. Cross was already written is here. Okay, crossword already written is here, this previous commandment, but now after correction you will write upper side also in front of, yes, the check mark also. Is that clear? Where? Okay, correction. After correction, you will write down check mark also in your book. Next, third point. Insect breathe through gill. Wrong. Already written is wrong. Okay? Yes, wrong. So now cut the gill and write down, yes, another word is spherical. Okay? So that is after correction. You will check. Okay, now, yes, first upper side already checked, another side is also you will check, and then after correction. Okay, so now sentence is insect breathe through spherical. Okay, now is as it you will write down properly. Correction also written is here. Another side you will do. See and observe properly. very clearly if already written here. Do best. Another third one, plant remain fixed to the soil. Yes, the answer is correct. Yes, no correction is here. So I hope this commandment you will write down after correction, before correction in box. Now, and the hot question also written is here. Why now hot question? Yes, why cannot plant prepare food at the night? It's mean that, my dear student, plant make their food through photosynthesis, which requires sunlight, water and chlorophyll. Sunlight is available at daytime, so plant do not make food at night. So without sunlight will not possible this process, because that process is photosynthesis. So in photosynthesis, plant will take water with carbon dioxide with chlorophyll, and in presence of sunlight give us oxygen and food. Is that clear? So now answer is very satisfactory. Now here sunlight is available at the daytime, so answer is plant do not make food at night. Is that clear? Without photosynthesis, plant will not make food. Yes, at night. Without sunlight, plant do not make food at night. Is that clear? Okay, I hope satisfactory. Now here another question also written here. See and observe non-living stone, non-living things. Look at the now here you will see carefully here. Look at the picture of the aquarium. Which parts of this environment is stone, aquarium box, or non-living things? Living things, fish, plant, snail also. You will see in this, observe carefully. Aquarium, yes. Stone also here. Box also is here. This box also here. Yes. Fish. Okay, and plant, snail, yes. So I hope very clearly. Now here another also you will show carefully and write down given answer here. So I hope, my dear student, this is completely answer related of your exercise. So my dear students, I hope this is the way for you. Now over the lessons with our question answer. My dear student, you will do question answer on your copy and exercise. Tick the correct, fill in the blanks, tick the again, and now this hot question and just for fun also in your book, and answer the following question. See, answer the following question. Question answer 1 to 5 you will write down in fair copy, and hot question also you will write on fair copy. Okay, is that clear? Yes, I will repeat again. Answer, long question answer you will write in fair copy 1 to 5. One is how are plant different from animal. Second, distinguish between living non-living things. Third is why do animal move from one place to another. Third and 4 is what is reproduction. Fifth is name to plant that show the momentum. Question 1 to 5 you will write down question answer in fair copy and hot with a hot question. So yes, I will show again. Yes, this question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, 4, 5. You will write down fair copy, or and the last only one hot question you will write down in fair copy. Is that clear? Okay. Yes. Okay. That hot question, only one hot question. Thank you, my dear students. I hope if I doubt, I will explain again with shortly before another lesson. So I hope you will do carefully, observe, watch given videos and explanation. Listen carefully, observe carefully, watch, see, and I hope understood. If any query, that I will explain again shortly before next lesson. Thank you, my dear student. I hope clearly you will revise and see and observe very clearly of this video and question answer one by one. Thank you, my dear student.